Hi everybody, this is Ryan and welcome to week 8. It's hard to believe that we're almost done. I've really enjoyed our time together and getting to know you through the discussion posts. I hope you've enjoyed the class as well. During week 8, we have the normal assignments that are due. We have our discussion posts. Remember, your initial posts are due on Wednesday. We have a weekly problem set and we also have a final problem set. Now the only difference is everything is due on Saturday this week, so make sure you plan accordingly. I need to get grades done, so late work is going to be a problem. So try to get everything done by Saturday. Also, make sure you take time to complete the course evaluation. It's important that you do that so we can learn what we need to do to get better. This week, we're going to learn about methods of distribution functions, transformation function for finding the probability distribution of a function of a random variable. We're going to talk about moment generating function method for finding probability distribution of a function of a random variable. These topics are really going to set you up for your next course, which is differential statistics. I hope that you like it. I hope you find it interesting, but this is kind of the precursor to that course. So like I said, in week 8, you have weekly problems to do, you have a final, you have discussion posts, and everything is due on a Saturday. And I also do want to take a minute to thank you for taking this course. I hope you enjoyed it. I really appreciate the time you spent and the amount of work that you've done. I think a lot of you have grown a lot in this course from week 1 to week 8, and I've been able to see that. So once again, thank you for taking this course. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in the future. Talk to you later. This is Ryan. Bye.